Hello, dear hearts. My heart invites your heart to enjoy with me the cleaning moment, the moment that I'm going to catch all the leaves that comes down from the tree in that autumn time here in Netherlands. Yes, and I invite you to do what the Mother Nature is teaching us, to let go all the attachments, let go all the old beliefs. No attachment. Yes, just contemplate, just let come the love. Yes, for that we need to let go all our leaves, all our dry leaves from the autumn, and open space to more and more and more amazing, wonderful, good, unknowing in our flows. Yeah, come here with me, with love, with the flow. Eh? Okay, let's do some time lapse. Everybody, amazing. Yeah, and I'm feeling in the same way. Yes, with all the way, all my energy is balanced now. Yeah, I clean the way to the love energy comes through to me, receive in a free flow all the intuitions, orientations from my heart, from my soul. Yeah, thank you.